But if I were looking at another option right here and I want to graph the linear equation, that means that linear has the word line in it. It's going to be a line. If I had more information on this, I could put a title and then label each of my sections. I don't, so we're going to forgive that at this point. But please know, if you have the opportunity to put a title and different labels on it, you really, really need to. So y equals x minus 2. This is nothing special to us because we've done these types of graphs before. So x minus 2. If I substitute x as 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. If x is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. If x is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. And if x is 8, 8 minus 2 is 6. Now, if we were to think back to Unit 8 on this, or even Unit 7, substituting values for variables now to us just seems like habit. It's easy enough to do. But this is something we learned that was a new skill we picked up this year. That's kind of cool to see that it just flows for us, right? So substitute the value for x and solve the equation for y. So x being here's x, here's y. They stay the same in a coordinate plane here. X being my independent variable. I can change that all I want, and whatever I do to x, then that changes y. Y depends on whatever x is minus 2. Now I want to graph it. And my graph to check my work should be a line, because this is a linear equation. I've got 2 to 0. You do not always start at the origin point of 0, 0. 2 to 0. I've got 4 to 2. I've got 6 to 4. And I've got 8 to 6. Easiest thing in the world as a mistake to make is to flip those two. Make your x coordinate go on your y coordinate go on your x coordinate. Please just take your time and make sure that you're doing it correctly. And you can double check your work because you should have a straight line. Okay, so linear equation is just taking the equations that we have, and when I graph them, I end up with a straight line.